Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Joanne. We are both registered dietitians in the AT Augusta Military Medical Center Nutrition Clinic. Welcome to our cancer prevention cooking series. We have been highlighting preventing colorectal cancer. The American Cancer Society recommends plant-based meals for cancer prevention.
Today we're going to make an easy, refreshing, plant-based summer meal that's perfect for hot days like today. So to get started, we're going to start with our liquid ingredients. At home, you can choose a milk and yogurt of your choice. Today, of course, we're going to be doing plant-based. We're going to have our soy unsweetened milk, and just put that into your blender that you have. Next is our coconut protein yogurt. And again, like at home, you can choose one of your options that you would like. Both of these are going to be a higher plant-based protein option. Okay, we got all that in there.
Perfect. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. This is going to give it a rich chocolate flavor. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed. Flaxseed is a great source of omega-3 and fiber. Including more fiber in your diet may prevent colon cancer.
All right, and next we're going to move on to our greens. Today we are using spinach. This is also a good source of fiber, and also carotenoids, which have been shown to have anti-cancer properties in the lab. Just toss that in there.
Okay, our next ingredient is natural peanut butter. We're going to put in 1 tablespoon. Peanut butter is another great source of plant protein and healthy fats. When you're buying peanut butter, you do want to try to go for the 100% peanut butter options. So for example, this peanut butter, you can see it's more a liquid, and the only ingredients in this peanut butter are peanuts and salt.
All right, we're going to move on to our berries. Today we are using blueberries. Again, you can use berries of your choice. Blueberries have phytochemicals in them. Also, anti-cancer properties have been shown in the lab, just like I mentioned with the spinach. Right.
Okay, and then if you would like to, you can also add some spices to your meals. Adding spices to your meals can add anti-inflammatory properties. Today we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger and a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and then just a pinch of black pepper. When you combine turmeric and black pepper, the black pepper increases the bioavailability of the anti-inflammatory compounds in turmeric.
All right, once you have all of your ingredients into your blender, you're going to blend it to the consistency that you like. All right, Joanne, now that the smoothie's blended, let's give it a try and see how it tastes.
I can't wait.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Oh yeah, that's a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
With a delicious hint of chocolate.
Yum, you are going to love this recipe.
Thanks for joining me and Jamie in the Nutrition Clinic. We are located on the 1st floor Oaks, and stay posted for more videos.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.